As sustainability becomes more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle. Many Loves Park homeowners are rethinking how they upgrade and maintain their homes. One of the most impactful home improvements you can make is replacing old doors with eco-friendly alternatives. Not only do energy-efficient doors enhance comfort and curb appeal, they also reduce your environmental footprint and lower energy costs. Whether you're planning a full home renovation or updating a few key features, understanding eco-friendly door options can help you make choices that benefit both your household and the planet. Why eco-friendly doors matter in Loves Park. Your home's doors play a critical role in energy performance. Old or poorly insulated doors can let conditioned air escape, forcing your heating and cooling systems to work harder and consume more energy. In Loves Park's climate, where temperatures vary widely between warm summers and chilly winters, efficient doors help maintain stable indoor temperatures. This means less energy use, smaller utility bills, and a reduced carbon footprint. Eco-friendly doors support lower energy consumption, reduced greenhouse gas emissions, improved indoor comfort, long-term savings on utilities, enhanced resale value. With the right door replacement choices, you get both performance and peace of mind. Insulated fiberglass doors. Efficiency meets durability. Fiberglass doors are a standout eco-friendly choice for Loves Park homeowners who want energy performance without sacrificing looks. Key benefits: superior insulation. Fiberglass doors often feature an energy-efficient foam core that limits heat transfer. Durability. Fiberglass resists warping, cracking, and moisture damage, meaning fewer replacements over time. Low maintenance. These doors won't need frequent painting or staining. Design versatility. They mimic the look of wood without the environmental impact of harvested lumber. Because they help your HVAC system run less often, fiberglass doors are both eco-smart and wallet-friendly. Steel doors with insulated cores. Steel doors are another affordable, long-lasting option. When paired with high-performance insulation, they help improve energy efficiency significantly. Why Loves Park homeowners choose them: high strength, excellent resistance to impact and wear. Energy-saving cores. Many steel doors come with polyurethane or polystyrene insulation. Longevity. With proper installation and minimal upkeep, they provide years of performance. Steel doors can offer some of the best durability in eco-friendly replacements, especially for entryways where security and insulation matter most. Recycled and sustainable materials. For those focused on sustainability, doors made from recycled materials or certified sustainable wood offer appealing options. Recycled wood composites provide natural beauty while lowering demand for virgin timber. Bamboo doors, often made from rapidly renewable material, provide strength and a unique aesthetic. Recycled steel or aluminum frameworks add durability while reducing the need for raw material extraction. These products help reduce waste and make use of existing resources without compromising quality. Energy-efficient glass options. Many eco-friendly doors include glass panels that improve daylighting while minimizing heat transfer. Look for double or triple pane insulated glass, low emissivity coatings that reflect heat back into your home. Gas fills, argon or krypton, between panes to improve insulation. Modern glass technology lets you enjoy natural light and views without the energy penalty. Proper sealing and professional installation. Even the best door won't deliver peak performance without proper installation. Professional installers ensure accurate measurement and proper weather stripping and sealing, flashing and insulation around the frame. This prevents drafts and air leaks, preserving the benefits of your eco-friendly door. A win for your home and the environment. Replacing your doors with eco-friendly options is one of the smartest upgrades you can make in Loves Park. Not only do you enhance comfort and curb appeal, but you also support sustainable living and lower energy costs year after year. Whether you choose insulated fiberglass, steel with advanced cores, or doors made from recycled and sustainable materials, eco-friendly replacements offer long-lasting value for your home and the planet. Ready to make a change? A greener, more comfortable home starts at the door.